Hello, if you've decided that you no longer need CapCut on your Android phone, removing it is quick and straightforward. Maybe the app is taking up storage space, or you simply prefer using a different editing tool. Either way, uninstalling it only takes a few taps, and your phone will be cleared in seconds. To begin, open the settings page. This is usually found on your home screen or inside the app drawer. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the option labeled apps or sometimes apps and notifications, depending on your phone brand and Android version. Tap on it to view all the applications installed on your device. Now, carefully scroll through the list or use the search feature at the top and type CapCut. When it appears, select it to open the app's information page. Here you will see details such as storage usage, permissions, and other settings. Look for the uninstall button, which is usually placed at the bottom of the screen or sometimes at the top, depending on your system layout. Tap on uninstall and your phone will ask you to confirm your choice. Select OK or confirm to proceed. After a short moment, the system will completely remove CapCut from your device, including its saved data and background files. Once finished, you can return to your home screen and you'll notice the app is gone. That confirms it has been successfully removed from your phone in a safe and simple way.